Hi there, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable and use double tap feature on your Apple Watch Ultra 2. Let's get started. And firstly we need to open the list of applications using this digital crown, and here we need to find and open settings. After this we need to scroll through the settings to see this gestures tab. Select it and here you will see the double tap. To enable it, just tap on the switcher so it will light up green like this. If you want to disable it, tap on the switcher once more. And here, when it's enabled, you can choose to double tap on playback. For example, double tap to play or pause music or to skip songs. You can do just the same for Smart Stack, so choose between Advanced and Select. And here you can enable feature to ignore double tap when using Apple Vision Pro. So basically you just need to tap your index finger and thumb together like a pinch gesture to answer calls, reply to messages and see your Smart Stack and even more, but you need to wear your watch for this. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.